Now, throughout the morning, we have been crossing over live to False Bay Yacht Club with Uncle Tamzi and Jamie. Right now, he's on standby to give us tricks and tips on how to achieve the perfect veggie burger.
Quickly, I'll tell you something. You absolutely want to be here. Welcome back, you beautiful people. It's your Uncle Tabsy, still reporting for duty live from the False Bay Yacht Club. I'm not alone. I am with Yaha Mautla, Chef Tesh Mautla, Mema Mautla, and of course, our resident foodie extraordinaire. I'm talking about Anel Potgieter. Now, because it's Braai Day, Friday, it's all about the braai, right? And this morning, you ladies are helping us get inspired and into the vibe of making a braai with a twist. It's a vegetarian burger. I think it's absolutely amazing. We're doing this with Woolies, and you've got this entire spread laid out for us. You've got to take me through it. What exactly is a veggie burger? What is in it? What makes a veggie burger, Anel?
You know, Woolies has got fantastic vegetarian burger options, like the spinach and sweet corn one that we're using today.
Yeah.
But it's on special as well today.
Oh,
Remember,
yes.
the beef, the burger, the buns, the cheese are 20% off today.
It's actually insane. Every single Friday they do this. You must see me rushing into a Woolies store, and I am going, cheese, patties, buns, burgers. I'm always so excited about it. But this is quite interesting. So you're helping us make this veggie patties. Take us through it, Anel and Chef Tish.
All right. I've got an avocado here. We've got yogurt, we've got lemon, we've got ground cumin, we've got some crushed chili, salt and pepper always.
Yes.
The magic with the avocado to keep it nice and green and not brown is the lemon. So we're quickly going to crush that, smash it.
I like my avo not too smooth. I like it chunky.
Yeah, me too. You
I
and I
love
the
that
same.
like a chunky type of feeling.
You and I the same. That's why we get along so well, Anel. That's why. That's the reason.
I thought it was my personality.
Well, that supports everything else too. But let me tell you something about this. It's made with spinach, sweet corn, and crushed wheat, lightly flavored with onion, garlic, and fresh coriander. And of course, it's plant-based deliciousness, only the best you can expect from Woolworths. And Woolies, they have a range of plant-based burger and beef options that you will fall in love with. If you're looking for that alternative, really, that is the place to go. That is the place to go. The best of Woolies quality. But of course, today you do get 20% off your buns, off your meat, off your veggie patties, as well as cheese. So whether you're vegetarian or not, you'll still qualify and get that 20% off. T's and C's do apply. But of course, this recipe we're making this morning, SMS the keyword Woolworths to 33728 if you want that sent through to your mobile phone with a list of all the ingredients. What is this that you're making here, Chef Tish?
I've mixed some lemon with yogurt,
lemon
plain
juice.
yogurt, lemon juice, with plain yogurt, some cumin, salt and pepper always. Because remember to always season as you go along. And the beautiful, one thing that people do not quite know is that meat takes about 4 to 7 days for people to digest. So this plant-based is wonderful. So it will be digested within a day.
If you're going through that health journey and you're paying attention to what you're eating and what the effects of it are on your body, this is absolutely perfect to start trying. It tastes amazing too, so you're not losing out on the deliciousness and all the flavors that you would expect from a traditional burger. So get your hands on this. SMS Woolworths to 33728. We'll send you an SMS with a link to the recipe straight to your phone. Okay, so
what I like about these burgers, you can braai them on the braai. A lot of vegetarian burgers fall apart on the braai. But
look at me getting involved. I'm coming to see. I want to in on the action.
So they braai beautifully on the braai.
Oh, nice.
And they are delicious. They've also got like a lentil one. I was on my vegetarian journey, and this is my go-to little burger.
What's your favorite one, Anel?
The lentil one. They've got a beautiful lentil burger.
Yeah, I love it.
So put this together. We just put a bit of the yogurt down.
And that is your sauce, because we are trying to be as plant-based as possible.
Okay, so you're getting that avo over.
A little chunky for texture.
Yes, because Anel and I like it chunky like that.
Yeah, we like it chunky like that.
We like it chunky like that.
In between, I've made like a tomato salsa with Woolies pickled red onions. It's absolutely divine. Just a bit of sliced tomato, a bit of coriander, and a bit of pickled onions. It's
but the convenience of it all. I mean, you don't have to work hard. Nobody wants to be finding themselves sweating up a storm in the kitchen to get a good meal.
Oh, look at this. I can just taste it.
Yeah, oh, I can taste it with my eyes.
Taste it?
I'm eating this with my eyes.
And they've got these pickled onions, the red onions. I love the color. They're pink.
Oh, wow. Yes. So they add a really nice pop to your plate, right? I like that.
Look at that. And you think that's plant-based? I would just die for that.
Well,
where's our carnivore? Where's our
here's our
carnivore?
You guys are having too much fun here. Gave me Sly, and I'm making him a veg burger. Thank you very much.
Step in there.
Oh, this looks
Look awesome.
I think vegetarian has never looked so sexy and so yum. Thank you, Woolies. Get your hands on that 20% off of all meats, on all your veggies, your patties, your buns. It's all happening on Fridays because
Burger
Fridays
Friday.
are Burger Fridays at Woolies. And tell them we sent you. And of course, that the T's and C's to get the 20%, they do apply. What a delicious looking bargain this, the 20% delicious sounding, but that burger, absolutely
guys.
delicious.
Guys.
Look, we have to try it.
And you know anything
We have
with
to eat it. Can I get involved?
Yes, you
can I get involved? Because then
sir. You can
I'll
get
tell you what the
involved.
taste is like.
through it.
Domberg,
Okay, that's it.
grab one there.
I'm going to do bunless.
Making that for you.
I'm going to grab this one here.
Okay.
Oh gosh, look at this, guys. What do you think? Isn't this just
So yum.
Do you think I must just go in with my mouth, or must I cut it?
No, like I did. Go. Straight.
Must I
go,
go?
go.
Must I
Go
go?
for it,
go
Okay,
for it.
okay.
Go for it.
Oh, you know. How's that patty? Jamie Lee, how's that veggie patty?
Can you taste the difference?
Amazing.
Well, the only difference I can taste is the Woolies difference. Get your hands on the recipe. It's Woolworths 233728. Of course, that special runs every single Friday. Be inspired to throw a lekker braai. Go to Woolies and get that 20% off. Ladies, thank you so much. The mood is set.
amazing.
My appetite for the rest of the weekend is set and it's vibrating. Thank you so much. We'll take a quick break while you think about how you're going to be spicing up your burgers and your braais this weekend. Hopefully this has inspired you. We'll see you after this.